Hello everybody, Michael Leather back again from Conicelli Hyundai. Today I want to show you the much anticipated 2020 Hyundai Venue.
The Venue was just released this year as Hyundai's newest price point vehicle. Great for customers who want a lot of features but are on a budget. The Venue has an 8-inch touchscreen, which makes it one of the largest screens in its class. The Venue has standard forward collision avoidance assist along with pedestrian detection. The Venue can come with available blind spot collision avoidance and rear cross traffic warning. Also available on the Venue are front heated seats. Another great feature on the Venue is available LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. The Venue is great for customers who want to sit higher in their cars, but not pay the same price of a full-size SUV.
Now that you've seen some of the features in our new 2020 Hyundai Venue, stop by the showroom and ask for me, Michael Leather, and we'll go for a test drive together. And don't forget, shopping at Conicelli is always a nice place to do business.